Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 24/8/2025. The time is roughly around 10:30 and nothing was happened in this month and we are heading for the last monthly expiry and I have calculated something based on the seasonality and today we are going to see that. And again saying all my views are my personal views and this is only for the education purpose. So consult your financial advisors before taking any trading advice. Let's go to the chart. Okay, let's start with the simple SMA and if you come to Nifty, this gap up is spoiled the downside momentum. Again, if you take last week, the market closed exactly at the Monday low. So it is definitely weak. I don't care about what happens in Dow and all that, but this market will not sustain on the higher side. It will again come back down. And when it comes to pitchfork, again saying we are saying that till it is not able to close above this green color line, it is heading towards this median line, which is roughly around 24,100 level to 24,000 level. Right, so now let's go to the interesting analysis. So now this is based on Ichimoku. So now based on Ichimoku, unless and until it is not going to close above the cloud, it is not going to close above the cloud. It is again and again it is going to come down. So now again next week till up to at least 29th August, predominantly the market tries to be within this level. Even if it is a gap up, it will not, most probably it may not sustain. Again it will try to break. In case if it closes above here, above the cloud, again it will try to break down and come down to the downside level. So now according to me, I may be wrong, according to me the bottom may happen on 10th October. The bottom may happen on 10th October. Predominantly, this may be the range. For example, it is roughly around 23,600 level will be the range. And again, there will be an upside momentum till 30th of October. So predominantly, the bottom will happen on 10th of October or roughly around 9th to 10th of October. Possibility the bottom will happen somewhere based on the Ichimoku, somewhere here it will make a bottom, which is roughly around 23,600 or 23,500 level. I may be wrong, but this is based on Ichimoku and it is based on the seasonality too. Even if it is gap up and all that, it will not sustain on the higher level. Now let's go to Fibonacci. Again, till it is not going to cross above this, we are heading towards this, which is 24,000 level, which is 50% rule. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is really interesting and it is not able to close above 100, 20 and as well as 50. And even if you take the trend line, it is clearly showing that it is negative when it comes to trend line also. So Bank Nifty is extremely weak, so possibility that we may come and touch this 200-day SMA. Okay, but when it comes to pitchfork, again we said very clearly that whenever it gets rejected here, it will come back to this green color line. Again it went for a gap up, again it closed exactly at the pitchfork green color line. Any close below this green color line, possibility that we are heading for this yellow line and possibility we are heading for this red color median line, which is roughly around somewhere around 53,500 to 53,000 level. So till it is holding this level, possibility that it may even take a U-turn, but it will not sustain. It will not sustain again on the upper side. It will come down again back to this level. Now coming to Bank Nifty forecast, till it is not able to close above this cloud, nothing is going to happen, and possibility that again it may go and reject somewhere here and on roughly around on 18 September again probably we are heading towards this level on or before 10th October to 17th October, we are heading to this level. We are heading to this level, which is roughly around 53,483 level, and from there may be a bounce back again towards this level, which is 57,498 to 57,327 on or before 30th of October. And Bank Nifty is really weak when it comes to the structure. And when you go to the Fibonacci again, this is the major area in which we are looking at, and close below this it may even go to this level, but this is a very crucial support area. And when it comes to fortune signals, both are at 1 hour support. So in case, I don't know whether it's a gap up or not, in case if you are an aggressive buyer, you can take a chance here by keeping a stop loss of this low. And when it comes to daily, it is at the major support. Maybe it may even come down to this level and it may take a U-turn. But when it comes to Nifty, it has actually taken a support exactly here, and more or less the Sangamam is going. So when it comes back and touches the Sangamam, possibility of a reversal. Again, it will not sustain on the top. It may be a support level and it may even again take a U-turn, but it will not sustain the high even it goes forward. So now when it go to 1 hour time frame, it is exactly at the 1 hour time frame support. It gave a G buy and it closed above, and based on the 1 hour time frame, it is at the support. In any other time frame, lesser time frame than 1 hour, everything is looking extremely weak. Okay, so now let's go to the numbers. Now the next very important last astrological date is happening on 25th of August, which is tomorrow. So the first 15 minutes high and low will do the needful. If it is a gap up, maybe you can wait till 30 minutes high and low and you can take a call. If it goes above the 30 minutes high, you can take an entry on the long side. If it goes below the 30 minutes low, you can take a entry on the short side, and stop loss, you need to do your homework. And again, this is the monthly number, and if you go to the weekly number, I'll give the weekly number tomorrow around at 9:30, so that you can use it for your trading. And coming to this, we clearly said that it made a convergence, and we said that 750 points in Bank Nifty and 350 points in Nifty Future in a single day, but it gave roughly around 250 points in Nifty and 650 points in Bank Nifty on Friday, and still the convergence is intact and it is in red. It is in red. Okay, and in case the weekly possible high will be this number and possible low will be this number. We will wait where the market is going to open tomorrow, and we will see. But this is the tentative upside. If it breaks our possibility that we may go here, and tomorrow, this week we have only 3 days expiry and Wednesday is holiday, so most probably premium meeting will be there on left, right and center. Now let's talk about the number. So all the numbers are in red except this number. So unless and until it is not closing above this number, possibility that we will come and touch this number, 24,798. Unless and until these two number closes in blue, there is no question of going long in this market, especially on the positional side. And this is the spot number. I have already given you the targets, stop loss, everything, so kindly use that. And when it comes to Bank Nifty is extremely weak when you compare with the Nifty. Again, unless and until it is not going to close above these two number, it is going to be a sell on rise. Whenever it goes and rejects, for example, let's say tomorrow market opens gap up, and if it goes and rejects here, you can go short with a stop loss of 144 points. Stop loss is must, so please consult your advisors. But this is what the number says. And coming to the weekly cycle, again, banks are in highest combination, followed by mid cap, followed by metal, followed by energy, and followed by CNX thing. And we clearly said Kalyan Jewellers is one of the stock for the month, and from 587 now it is 507. Again, it is having a highest combo this week, which is 14 combo. And these are all the other stocks which you can concentrate in. If you want to concentrate on metal, you can concentrate on SAIL. If you want to concentrate on private bank, you can concentrate on Federal Bank. And if you want to concentrate on PSU Bank, you can concentrate on Bank of India. So like that, whichever index is here, if you want to focus on a particular stock, you can focus on these stocks. But stop loss is definitely must. So kindly follow the stop loss. Market is definitely going zigzag pattern, and very difficult to make money in this market because of this gap up open, everything got shattered. And again, it is trading only within this cloud. So inside the cloud, it is indecisiveness, and nothing is going to move forward. Once it has to close above the cloud high, it has to again close below the cloud low. But Bank Nifty is clearly below the cloud low. So Bank Nifty is really weak when compared to Nifty. So that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework, consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Okay, see you soon when the market opens on Monday. Bye.